What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I'm actually going up here. I should be getting my car fixed today. I had an appointment for today, man, to try to get this. It's called loud today. To get this drive shaft thing all figured out. So I'm on my way up here now. I'm hoping. There it is. I'll put my seatbelt on. I'm hoping they can go ahead and knock it out, man. I really can't complain because this is the only real problem I've actually had with this car. And like I say, it's a 2016 and I've had it all this time, all the way up to 77,000 miles. And this is the first issue I've actually had with the car, mechanically, to be honest with you. So I can't complain, for real, for real. Maybe I should have went that way. Hoping I can get up here and get this car fixed, man. If it's what we think it is, it shouldn't cost me but a couple $100 to do it, to get it fixed. Things happen, you know what I'm saying? It's just how it is. Cars break down, things happen. Driving these cars, doing burnouts and snatching off, you know what I mean? Something bound to come apart, you know what I mean? Eventually, you know, parts wear out. So I'm not real disappointed. I mean, I was disappointed initially because I thought it was something with my transmission. But if it's something simple that's going to cost me a couple $100, I really can't complain. I didn't get an extended warranty because look, I went for damn near 5 years, and it's the first issue I had. So that's why I'm leasing. So by the time something started to go wrong or something goes wrong, I could just take it back to the dealership and they can fix it. So I ain't necessarily worrying about anything going wrong when I get my Hellcats. Those cars are definitely built to snatch around and do burnouts and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna get back with y'all, man, once I get up here and see what's going on, see if they can fix this car. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll check back in with y'all in a minute once we get to the shop. Let's go. All right, guys, they took the car back, so hopefully they can get this figured out. But I'm also right here by Touch-Up Detailing. If you've been watching my videos, you know I used to come up here and get my car detailed. So I'm gonna show y'all what they got in the bay right now. I8 joint. And I think he washing a Tesla back there. That I8 thing, sick. Look at that joint. Yeah, that joint's stupid. And they got a Challenger right there. I don't know if that's a Hellcat. That's a Scat. It's a Scat right. Look, it said right there on the daggone tag.
12 seconds later.
Alright, guys. I got terrible news, man. Apparently my drive shaft is completely gone. Like the U-joints, everything is completely done. It's not something that's serviceable. So basically, they're saying that to even get the part in, they gotta order it from the dealership, and I'm looking at about $1,700 to get this fixed. They saying they recommend me not driving the car because if it snaps, then it's over. It's a wrap. Apparently, this is something that Dodge is having some problems with because they're on back order. The part is on back order. The way that they made it, the way they built this whole drive shaft with these Chargers and Challengers, it wasn't a smart idea. So they're having a lot of issues with this. So you definitely want to get yours checked because it could be going bad and you don't know. If your car's new, you probably don't have no issues, and it'll probably be under warranty. But if you thinking about buying a Dodge Charger or Challenger, I recommend you get an extended warranty because if this happens to you, like I say, it's about a $1,700 fix. I'm gonna call Dodge right now and see if this is something that they can extend my warranty on, since this is a known issue. But I'm just letting you guys know, man, this is something that this is something that Dodge is actually having problems with, man. So I recommend that you guys go and get your car, go and get it checked, and just to see if it's loose, because mine is completely gone. So, and the powertrain warranty on, you know, from 2016 on up, is 5 years, 60,000 miles. My car got 77,000 miles on. So I'm about to call Dodge right now. You know, of course, I'm gonna let you guys know what's going on, what they say. But this is not good news, man. I'm not sure what I'm gonna release this video because I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do. This is a good shop, mechanic shop. I've taken all my cars here. They give it to you straight up, and they don't try to get over on you. So I trust what he's saying. Like I said, they've called around. They even called the dealership. This is something that they're having issues with. So if you got a Charger, Challenger, regardless, well, I probably wouldn't worry about the V6s. But if you got a V8, you probably definitely want to go and get this checked, or just take it to just put your car up on the lift, get up under there, shake that drive shaft, see if it's loose. If anything seems like it's loose, if it is, you might want to go ahead and take it back to the dealership, especially if it's under warranty, and get it checked, man. Because other than that, it's gonna cost you almost $2,000 to get it fixed. And if it's under warranty, I mean, you probably really don't have no problem. It ain't no big deal. But if your car getting close to warranty expiring, you probably need to either go ahead and get an extended warranty, or just get it checked and make sure it's not going bad. Because even when I called the dealership and talked to the guy, he was telling me that sometimes those parts aren't even covered under warranty. That certain parts in the drivetrain that's not even covered under the warranty. So I don't know, man. It's crazy. But this is something Dodge definitely is aware of. So I'm about to call them right now, see what they can do for me, man. Other than that, I might have to just bite the bullet and pay it, or just trade this joint in and take the hit and be done with it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, guys. But I'm gonna let you know I'm blown. Now I'm without my car. I can't drive my car. So I gotta make a decision. So I'm gonna let you guys know. If you're new to the channel, man, hit that like button, subscribe, stay tuned. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it's definitely something that I gotta make a decision quick. Like I say, this is my daily driver, so I gotta make a decision, man. I gotta either go get rid of it or pay the $2,000 to get it fixed. Most people would just go to get rid of it, but like I told y'all before, I got a lot of other stuff going on. I really don't want to trade the car in right now, especially right now, because they getting over on people. But I might see what I can do, man. I might just go ahead and take it in and see what I can do. So, like I said, if this is your first time on my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I got to tell y'all the good and the bad, especially you guys looking into buying these cars, especially if you're going to buy a used one. Definitely want to check this and make sure it's not, the drive shaft is not going bad, the U-joints and stuff are still intact. This is a $2,000 problem you do not want if you're buying a used Dodge Charger or Challenger. So I'll keep you guys updated. And if you go back through my videos, I did a video on how to get your car repaired when it's out of warranty. I'm gonna put the card up here. That's the only way to really get some assistance, is to call Dodge, Chrysler, and they'll give you a case manager, and they'll try to assist you with this whole process of, especially if your car's out of warranty. There's a lot of times where they extend your warranty. Like I said, that's what I'm trying to get them to do. So I did a video on this before, so I'm gonna leave a card for y'all to click on that video and watch that video, and I'll tell you exactly what I went through and what happened, how I got my car fixed when it was out of warranty on my 300, when I had my Chrysler 300. We're not gonna get into it now because this is a whole different video. Just go back and watch that video. All right, guys, so I'm leaving the dealership. I took the car to the dealership up the street from my house, but unfortunately, because I've been taking my car to 2 different dealerships. This is crazy. This is why I hate dealing with this type of stuff, bro. Because I've been taking my car to 2 different dealerships, my chances of Chrysler approving my extended warranty is greater if I take it to the dealership that's about 20 miles away from where I live at, because that's where I bought the car at. And when I bought my car, I got a whole bunch of, I got like 10 free oil changes. So I took my car to that dealership more than I took it to the one that's only about 3 miles from where I live at. So he's basically told me my chances of Chrysler approving the extended warranty and assisting on the repair is great if I take it to the dealership that I had it serviced at the most. And ain't that ridiculous? Considering the fact that they're two Dodge dealerships, they all certified through the same certifications. I don't understand the difference, but it's always some nonsense when it comes to getting stuff done under warranty. I can't say I'm surprised. I'm just sitting at the light and it's green. So, and the earliest appointment I can get is like 3-4 days away. So I'd be without my car for 3 or 4 days before they can even tell me whether or not they're gonna assist me to repair the car. So that's why I would never ever buy a used Hellcat, bro. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I'm not doing that, bro. Not knocking anybody else for doing what they do. Some people might not have this issue, but I can only imagine the drive shaft going out on a Hellcat, which I've never really heard of that happening. I don't know if it's just something that I'm going through with my car. I mean, but it's gonna cost me $1,700, and I only got an RT, and I'm pretty sure the drive shaft in a Hellcat is probably a little more sturdy or a little stronger than the one that's in this RT. But man, I'm telling y'all, you might definitely want to go get this checked out. Sorry about that, guys. I'm backing up. You definitely want to get this checked on your car, man, especially if it's out of warranty. Maybe if it is going bad, maybe you can save it before it get as bad as mine. But this is a headache, bro. So I basically gotta wait another 3 to 4 days before I can even take the car in and get it looked at to determine whether or not they're gonna cover it under the warranty. It's crazy, man. I'm telling you, I'm actually thinking about, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and call them and just see if they can squeeze me in. Maybe I can get lucky and somebody cancel, they can squeeze me in, because I need to get this taken care of, man. Like I said, this is my only car, so I'm gonna see if I can get in there earlier, or I might just take this joint and just trade this joint in, man, and just take the hit and just deal with it that way. I don't know, but that's what I'm dealing with. That's what the situation is. Again, I keep you guys updated on what's going on. If it's the first time on the channel, hit the like button, subscribe, get your car checked out, make sure your warranty, you know when your warranty expires. See if you got extended warranty. You definitely need to check on this stuff, man, because this is something that Dodge is dealing with. And just because your car just because you haven't experienced it yet, don't mean it ain't on the way. So I'm giving y'all a heads up right now, man, what could possibly be going wrong on your car. Especially if you're doing burnouts, swinging your car, snatching off in it. You definitely want to get this checked, bro. I'm telling you right now. But this is a headache. And the part is on back order. So that means it's happening all over the place. I ain't the only one dealing with this if the part is on back order. So hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Audio Jungle.